What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we actually literally hit 1,500 subscribers, probably like that last video, but then today when I checked, we hit actually 1,600 subscribers. Might not seem like a lot, but to me it is, and I really appreciate you guys, and I want to thank you guys for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me since day one, basically. So those who are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Josh. This is the Iceyyyboyz channel, and I hope you guys like the content that we put out, and usually it's really dumb shit and our cars. So yeah, hope you guys like it, and thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Thank you to you new subscribers, and to those subscribers, you know you guys are the OGs. Anyways, I just ordered something on Monday and it came today. And today's Wednesday, so it's pretty fast. Two day shipping. It's right here. Yeah! In this mother, I would use a butter knife. Oh fucking damn it! Jesus! Moment of truth, boys and girls. Shout out to Valente. I think that's how you pronounce it. Valente. You guys know what it is? Do you? Let's check this shit out. Oh man. Fresh. It's a new steering wheel. Yeah! So I got a new steering wheel. It's from Valente with two eyes. USA. And I told you guys I wanted to change up the interior, so let's see what we got. This is, I think, the Nathan 350. Oh damn, this thing's hot. Got the plugs and everything. Ooh, it smells. Well, let me take it out of the bag. So I got the Nathan 350 and with the sparkles. I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn, this thing is fresh. Why is this upside down? Oh, the horn actually works. I'm gonna show you guys it in the light. Let's see. Check that shit out, yo. Hell yeah. You guys can head to their website, but when I bought this, I think they were sold out on these, I think, but I think you still look it up. But check that out. Fuck yeah, bro. And then I was thinking of getting a new shift knob because my shift knob's gold. They also have this, but the middle one was gold. But I always gotta stay like silver chromish because I feel like I already had gold, so too much gold kind of got overplayed, you know. And yeah, I'm actually happy. This thing feels great. I think this is a 350, a size 350, and like it feels great. I was gonna go with the Grip Royal, but the Grip Royal was like a little bit pricier, more pricey. But actually, they were almost like the same price. This one, I got this for $180, free shipping. But yeah. I think it was a good deal. Let's install this bad boy after I take off these stupid bolts. The other reason why I wanted to get this steering wheel, guys, is because it actually matches with my lip. But this is obviously more professionally done. But it's the same exact flakes as the one on my lips. But hell yeah. Let's install this bad boy. The old setup. Oh, Missy Matt. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this shift knob or and the steering wheel yet. So if you guys are wondering, that was my answer. I don't know yet, but never know. Maybe I will, because some of the homies want to buy it, and a lot of people have been DMing me about it. So I don't know yet. Took off the horn so we could detach from that. But check this out, guys. In the sun. Fuck yeah, super clean. And they got their little signature right there. Looking great. So for my moon eyes, guys, I only have 3 because there's an adapter in the back to make it fit to the Momo hub. And oh yeah, if you guys were wondering, this is a Momo hub, not an NRG, because fuck NRG. Just kidding. Oh, what the fuck? I think it's a 3? Yeah, it's a 4. It's on there pretty tight. Jeez, why is it? Well, I haven't taken off the fucking steering wheel in forever, so. Oh! See, so that's the adapter, adapter plate. Say goodbye to the moon eyes, guys. Last look of it, for a while at least. Ooh, jeez. So this is the adapter, and see, it's the 3 holes. And then, in order to take off the adapter, you take off 6 little screws right here, Allen wrench. And the one I have, it is actually a size 4. Yeah, size 4. Oh wait, it was size 4 for the big ass steering wheel one. So the sizes for these are 2.5. Just want to be careful because you don't want to strip it. These Allen screws always strip so easily. And then the adapter's off. And that's the Momo hub. So if you guys are doing this like starting this from scratch with the stock wheel, all you do is gotta take off the airbag first, which is usually there's like 2 screws underneath it, and then after you take off the airbag, you just disconnect the wires, and then there will be a 14mm bolt. I think this is a 14. Yeah, it has to be 14 or 17. I'm pretty sure it's 14 though. And then you get 14mm, and then you just take this out, and then usually it would be stuck, so you would have to probably mallet it out some. If you guys are lucky, it will just come out just like that. And then you get the short hub and put it on, same thing. And then usually for the steering wheels, you just put them on 3, so 6 total. And then if you guys like running quick releases, you'll do the same thing. It's the same exact thing, but it's just a quick release. I don't usually like running quick releases, but yeah. So now let's put it on. Make sure you guys' steering wheel is straight, because if it ain't straight, then you're fucked. You're gonna be driving like this. But I'm pretty sure mine's straight, so I'm gonna just mount it like that, and then I'll put on the horn and the bezel. There you go. See, it's pretty straight. And it's on, guys. I actually do really recommend the steering wheel. It's super nice. I feel like there's a scratch right here. Oh, this motherfucker. There's a chip. Oh, whatever. But look at it. Hang on, let me get out the car. Oh, shit. Look at my interior now. It's super clean. I just need to take out that shift knob because it does not go with it. But it's super clean. I honestly don't like the steering wheel, the bezel, whatever they're called. I don't even know what they're called. But that actually looks clean. I mean, I don't mind, because if I didn't have this, it would look so janky. But it's super clean. And that shipping got a little bit chips in. I'm pissed. It's a chip right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. That's a 1 chip. Motherfuckers. And I think there's a chip in the front. Yes, there is. Right there. Right there. Here's another look of it. The steering wheel inside. Super shiny, super clean. And I do recommend the steering wheel, but the only thing is it just came with like little chips, but I guess it's not their fault, it's the shipping's fault. But yeah, dude, it's really nice. Just 3 bolts up here, 3 bolts right here, and you're good. And I never had the time to connect my horn because I just don't know how and I don't feel like it. But next one, shift knob and probably side skirts because wekfest is coming up in like 3 weeks actually, in August, and it's what, July 11th already, so gotta get this bad boy ready. Thinking about putting this on because it's actually really clean. It's like black and on black. No one really has a license plate holder like that. Alright, yeah. Right now I got 714 tires, but I've been rocking them since I ever like stanced out my IS, and they always came in clutch with my alignments and tires. So you guys should check them out too because they're really a good people. And yeah, so if you guys like the steering wheel, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Also, what color should I get for my shift knob? I was thinking either black or silver, just so it could match with the drift button and like the centerpiece of the steering wheel. But yeah, just let me know because I just want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions. But I really like the steering wheel and I think I need a new fucking seat. It's fucked off. But yeah, that glitter though, so shiny. The material is actually wood grain, so you could clean it up easy and it won't be damaged, I don't think. I had a wood grain one before and I had it for the longest time and it didn't even damage. It just got super chipped. I don't know how because the steering wheel doesn't move unless I'm going in and out of the car with like something heavy or something sharp. But other than that, the steering wheel is, I would say, like 9 out of 10 because you can't really, I'm not really satisfied with it, but I'm satisfied, you know? So update on the daily, the news on the daily. Actually this Friday, because today's Wednesday, I actually work today and tomorrow, so I would have to go check out the car on Friday, and the guy is willing to meet up with me on Friday around 1, so I'll probably be vlogging about that. And yeah, on Friday I'll be looking at a car, and obviously maybe you guys know, maybe it's an IS, maybe it's something different, but as of now I'm just looking at it. I don't know yet, I haven't seen it, but yeah, I'm kind of excited. I just want to give a big shout out to Bob MR2, my sister's fiance's brother-in-law, which is also going to be part of my family. And yeah, I just want to thank him for letting me borrow the MR2 for the longest time. I think I've had his MR2 for like almost a month. But I want to thank him for that. Thanks Bob for letting me borrow it. Even though some days I don't even want to drive because there's no AC. And the weather's been horrible, guys. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm going to be ending the video here. I'm actually going to make another video of me and Dallas are going to go look at the car on Friday. And I'll probably vlog from there. But for now, that'll be the end of the video. And I also wanted to show you guys the site. If you guys haven't checked it out, head to the website. I actually put new items, new products. So head to the website. And if you guys do want like custom stickers, I do custom stickers for you guys too. And yeah, if anything, custom stickers like your crew, some random stupid stickers, I could do it for you. Just email me and I'll have a quote for you. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And thank you for the new subscribers that followed or subscribed. And thanks to the OGs who were always there supporting us and showing the love. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys.